Hey everyone, Mike here from Work Truck West, and today we are featuring this 2025 Ram 5500 Service Mechanics truck. So this service truck here, it's a 2025 Ram 5500 crew cab. Lots of space in the back for passengers, overnight bags, electric diagnostic tools, whatever you want to throw in there. This chassis is really nicely spec'd. It's got the remote starts, large screen inside the cab. We got alloy wheels, dual fuel tanks. So lots of other specs. We'll make sure to put them in the ad for you. On it, we've put this 11-foot aluminum crane body, full powder coat finish inside and out. On the body, we've got 4 LED work lights around the exterior. We've got the LED amber beacon, and we've also got the buggy whip wired in with the beacon for all the emergency lighting. We've installed the Cobra 5500 electric over hydraulic crane. So this particular crane will lift about 5,500 pounds right beside the truck. It's got 21 feet of reach and will lift 1,200 pounds at full extension. On the back, we've got our workbench bumper, outriggers on either side, and the bench vise with vise pockets on either side of the bumper so you can put it wherever it works best for you to do your job. And then on the passenger side, we've got our 20-gallon air tank mounted up top. So this particular package currently does not have an air compressor installed, and we've done that intentionally so it gives you the flexibility just to let us know what you want us to put on it. So it can be the VMAC DTM compressor. We can get into the multi-function units from Miller, your air pack, the Bobcats, 200, 300 amp welders, and we can also do the VMAC diesel drive multi-function unit as well. So just let us know. We'll get it included onto the build for you. So let's take a closer dive inside the cabinets. All right, so we're back on the driver's side of the truck now. Running through the cabinets, we got driver's side number 1, full 9-drawer tool chest. Inside the drawers, we got dividers, so you can keep your tools nice and segregated. We also got the plug for the 1750 watt inverter. Perfect spot to have your battery chargers and anything else up on top. Have it plugged in, charge while you're driving. We got our LED cabinet lights on the doors. So this is a great location because it's a dome light, which means it casts great light inside your cabinet, inside your drawers when they're open, but it also illuminates around the truck. So if you're working at night, you can see where you're stepping and what's around the body also. In our driver's side number 2, we currently have 2 adjustable shelves. We have a 9-drawer tool chest option to match your driver's side number 1 that we can get installed in here. So you can have full drawers in both cabinets if that's what you need. Going over into our overwheel driver's side number 3, 2 more pull-out drawers. The top drawers we put full bolt-in dividers in, but you can move that around to any drawer you like. And we also got a stainless steel work surface tray on the bottom. This is great just to be dropping your tools to be working on. You got a great cover if it's raining outside to keep you dry. And then in our driver's side number 4, our rear cabinet. So this is our crane tower cabinet. Inside, we've got our remote for the crane, wireless remote. And we've got our 1/2 by 50 foot spring rewind air reel, Arctic hose, the FLR, and we've also got a 3/4 inch bulkhead fitting. So if you want to run some bigger air for the bigger tools, you can tap right into there. In the back of the body, we got a rear hatch door, so you can have your air reel come out the back. No need to have that door open when you're operating your air system. So in the back here, we got our covered load space. So this load space lid will slide from the back of the body to the front or from the front to the rear with multiple pinning locations around the top with the spring latches. So you can keep it in the open position if needed while driving. We've got E-track going down either side. We've got our pry bar holder on the passenger side, and we got our chain hanger with a protective flap over on the driver's side. And on the passenger side, in our rear cabinet, we got 3 adjustable shelves. Passenger side number 3, our overwheel. We got 2 more pull-out drawers, more bolt bin dividers up in that top drawer. Passenger side number 2. So this is the oxyacetylene cabinet. So we've installed the e-tracking inside the cabinet. So this is great. So you can actually keep your bottles where you need them. So you can go up against either sidewall, put them into the back, and then we got the straps in there to hold them into place. And then we also got hangers on the door for your oxyacetylene hose if needed. We do have oxyacetylene reels as well. We can get installed into that cabinet if you prefer to have your oxyacetylene hose on the reel. And in passenger side number 1, we got 3 more adjustable shelves. Similar cabinet to driver side 1. We can throw another 9-drawer chest into this cabinet here if needs be. So this package, it's in stock, it's ready to go. We can get it delivered anywhere throughout Canada. So reach out anytime, whether it's this truck you need or something different, just let us know and we're happy to help. Thank you.